Can you make passive income, which means income while you sleep, with vending machines? In this video, we go over how much you can make with vending machines and how little time it's going to take. Let's hop right into it.
Gotta know, yeah, that it's gonna happen for sure. Yeah, had to take my time, take it slow. Yeah, I've been saying I was rich since I was broke. Yeah.
So can you make money or passive money with vending machines? Yes. The answer is yes. I have here, I'll count it for you guys. I have here probably around $1,000 passive income from my vending machines. 815 of it was all change from some of my big machines, of course, but mainly from a lot of my small ones today. I did a small route of 38 small bulk machines, and then so all the singles are from the 2 big machines that I went to today. As well as some of the 5s are also from my big ones. I don't remember exactly how much it was. So first, I'm sure you guys want me to count the big bills. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 710, 720. I also did take some money out for gas and for lunch, so that is why that's $720. I also took some money out for later, so I could take so I could go out to dinner. But then now let's go over the singles. So this is going to be a little harder and a little trickier.
Let's see. I'm going to go over here. Here's off. You guys see? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. That's 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43,
44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 150, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $160 in singles, plus my 720 is $880, and the time is 3:40 in the afternoon. Guys, you can make passive income with vending machines and you don't even have to work a full day. Obviously, this was only one of my routes, and then I went to my 2 bigger machines because I went on Friday, but I didn't have the correct product, so I let it sit the weekend. They were closed this weekend, and I went back today. They didn't make that much money, obviously, but I left it there, and I'm trying to stress the point that you can make money, and this is possible for... Someone's hitting me up. This is possible to do. $880, you can see it there. That was from 38 of my small machines and 2 of my big machines. Do the math, like the time is really not there. For those 38 machines, it took me maybe 4 or 5 hours this morning, and they're super close. They're within 2-3 zip codes, and then my 2 big machines are within 1 zip code. So if you obviously, you know, locate within specific zip codes, and honestly, if you want to see something really cool, I have a map of where I live, and I literally map out where I'm gonna go, and then I print those out and I go to those places. So yeah, I'm old school. You don't have to do that. There are apps actually on your phone that can help you locate, but that'll be a different video, and I think I'll do that video today as well. So if you're seeing this video, click the next video, which will be linked after this. As always, hit that nice looking subscribe button, hit that bell so you get awesome videos like this. This video was not to, you know, be like pretentious about it or just flaunt my money. $880 is not a lot of money, but guess what? It goes a long way. It pays a car bill. It pays my insurance. It pays for my gas. It pays for, you know, an extra dinner with your wife or an extra dinner with your girlfriend. It pays for that, and it's an awesome side income. It's my full income. I do this full time. I don't have a full-time lifestyle though. I don't work 40 hours a week. That's not how much you have to work. But yeah, like the money is there, and I'm gonna do it for the thumbnail. If you want to do anything vending related, make sure you subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.